What are new biomarker discoveries for chronic fatigue syndrome? What are the new biomarker discoveries for chronic fatigue syndrome, also known as myalgic encephalomyelitis? Recent studies have unveiled several promising biomarkers that enhance our understanding and potential diagnosis of this complex condition. One significant area of discovery involves alterations in the gut microbiome. Research utilizing advanced artificial intelligence tools has shown that patients with chronic fatigue syndrome exhibit unique changes in their gut microbiome. Specifically, these patients have lower levels of beneficial fatty acids, like butyrate, and higher levels of metabolites such as tryptophan and benzoate. These distinctive gut microbiome signatures can identify individuals with chronic fatigue syndrome with about 90% accuracy, marking a major advancement in the search for reliable laboratory markers. Another key finding relates to immune system dysregulation. Studies have identified variations in immune signaling proteins known as cytokines. One particular study found 17 specific cytokines in the blood whose concentrations correlate with the severity of the disease. This supports the idea that chronic inflammation plays a role in chronic fatigue syndrome. Additionally, heightened inflammation has been observed in mucosal-associated invariant T cells, which are immune cells that connect gut health to immune function, further linking immune dysregulation to the disease. Furthermore, integrated analyses combining gut microbiome data with plasma metabolomics, which is the study of small molecules in the blood, have helped identify molecular signatures associated with chronic fatigue syndrome. Machine learning models that analyze cell-free RNA, which are RNA fragments circulating in the blood, have also been developed to detect key biomarkers. This advancement opens up exciting possibilities for non-invasive diagnostic methods. Interestingly, many of these biomarker discoveries overlap with findings in long COVID, a condition that shares symptoms and biological features with chronic fatigue syndrome. This overlap suggests that there may be common underlying mechanisms involving immune and metabolic dysfunction. It also offers a pathway to share diagnostic and therapeutic strategies for both conditions. These biomarker discoveries representing a significant shift in how we view chronic fatigue syndrome. They move us away from seeing it as a condition without objective tests towards a more precise, biology-based understanding. While these findings are promising, it is important to note that further research is needed to validate these biomarkers across larger and more diverse populations. Additionally, translating these discoveries into routine clinical diagnostics will take time. For patients with chronic fatigue syndrome, these advances provide hope for greater recognition of the disease as a real, biologically based condition. They also open up avenues for personalized care. Clinicians and researchers emphasize that while these biomarkers are important steps toward improved diagnosis and treatment, they do not yet replace clinical diagnosis. In summary, new biomarker discoveries for chronic fatigue syndrome focus on gut microbiome imbalances, immune system inflammation, metabolomic changes, and RNA signatures. Advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing key roles in identifying these complex biological patterns. These findings align with current scientific consensus and are supported by leading research institutions, offering a clearer biological basis for chronic fatigue syndrome.